This video introduces how to use LIN components of Smart Configurator on eSquare Studio. From eSquare Studio menu, select File, New, Renaissance C++ Project, Renaissance RL78. Select Renaissance CCRLC C++ Executable Project. Input project name. Select target device. In this video, we will create a project for RL78F24-100P. Select the target device R7F124FPJ5XFB. Confirm the Use Smart Configurator checkbox is selected and click Finish. A project has been created. Next, click on Components to go to the Components page. Click Add Component icon. Then, click Download RL78 Software Integration System Modules. To download, you will be required to sign into your My Renaissance account. If you do not have an account, please sign up for one. Check the LIN and LIN modules checkboxes and download them. LIN and LIN are added to the list of components, so select them and click Finish. LIN and LIN modules have been added. LIN is configured in the Configure pane. To learn how to configure LIN, see the application note our LIN 3 module software integration system. Click Generate Code button to generate codes. The generated files are added to the eSquare Studio project. You can find the documentation inside the doc folder added to your project. Double-click the file to view the PDF document. For the API used in the generated code, please refer to this document. For more information related to Smart Configurator, please visit this URL.